Whoa, what is that? Hi, my sponges. It's Miss Journey, the RBT, and welcome to Spungy Minds, where we take our time to learn how your brain works using the 4 functions of behavior. Our last lesson was on the 4 functions of behavior. Now let's test to see how good of a memory Miss Journey thinks you have. Can you remember the acronym that stands for the 4 functions of behavior? Here's a hint. An acronym is when each letter stands for a word. But when each letter is combined, it forms only one word. Do you remember the one word the acronym made? Time's up. If you said seat, you are correct. And just for that awesome memory, you earn a sticker. Let's see. I'm going to give you a green one for a good job. Let's do this one. There you go. Good job. I knew you had a great memory. In our last lesson, we also played with our sensory bin, where we came across a magical seashell with a mystery creature inside. It ended up being way bigger than expected, but I think you'll be shocked at the results too. Are you ready for the results? If so, let's give Miss Journey a big red heart. Okay, let's go. Miss Journey made the mistake of leaving the sea creature in for 48 hours. Whoa! The instructions only said 12 to 24 hours, but that's 4 times more than 12 and 2 times more than 24. Oh no! As you can see, our water is really cloudy now. And whatever this creature is got really big because it tore apart the whole shell. I'm excited to see. Let's go pour the water out. All right, our water is poured out, and now we can open our sensory bin to see the results of our creature. All right, our sensory bin is now open, and now we can grab our handy dandy tongs to pull out our mystery sea creature. Ooh. What is this? It looks like a frog. What? What's a frog doing in the ocean? That's so silly. So let's see. We have fishies, a swordfish, a shark, an X-ray, a dolphin, a starfish, some jewels, a treasure box, some seaweed or kelp, a coral reef, a speedboat, and now a giant frog. Do you know what sound a frog makes? Ribbit, ribbit. Good job. All right, now we can put away our tongs and start using our hands for the sensory of feel. The sand is still a very soft and spongy texture. Ooh. The frog is so squishy. Very soft and kind of rubbery. So cool. Ooh, the treasure box. It's very hard. This is not a soft toy. Can it open? And look at that. It opens. So cool. Oh, the same goes for... Oh, it's squeezed. Oh, that's fun. This would be sensory for... That's right. Hearing. That is so fun. Let's see what else. Oh, the jewels. Let's see. And it looks like we have 3 different colors. Blue. Purple. And pink. And these are also very hard. Not soft like the sand or the frog. That was so much fun. But you know something? Miss Journey is bored now, and she wants to find something to escape to. What do you think is the best choice for Miss Journey to do? Should Miss Journey throw the sensory bin on the ground and scream and cry? No. Should Miss Journey just leave the room without telling anyone? No. Should Miss Journey use her words and say she's all done with that activity? Yes. Remember, kids, if we're verbal, we can just use our words to say we're all done. Can you say we're all done? Good job! And for our nonverbal friends, remember we can always use gestures, pictures, or our device. But now I definitely think it's time for a bubble break. All right, I'm afraid that's all for Spungy Minds. I hope to see you all again